Here is a GL450. It's 2015 and it currently has the battery malfunction for auxiliary battery that I will attempt to fix today. So the car still starts and runs, just some of the functions are not working, like radar, cruise controller, and so on. And how this works, the battery is actually located in the trunk. You open the spare tire compartment, and right here to the side is where the battery is located. And this is a Mercedes battery, AGM style. And what I did is I went and I bought just a $50 battery from Walmart, which is similar but not exact fit. And now I'll just go ahead and change it. As you can already guess, this is a European car, so the wrench you need is a 10mm. Just get this loosen. There you go. That will allow us to take the battery out. And the terminals are also 10. Now the problem that we're having is the battery is not coming out. It seems like it's encased in metal and it's a little bit tall, so there's not enough clearance to get it out. So what we'll have to do is unscrew the whole metal housing and move the metal housing first. So we'll do that next. So what I'm doing now is I'm using an extension like this, a longer extension with a 10, to unscrew the screws that are holding this casing of the battery out, so I can actually take the whole metal casing that the battery is sitting in. So as you can see, I've unscrewed one of the holding screws, but there's a second one over here on the left side. So on the left side of the battery there are two. On the right side of the battery there was just one. I unscrewed one on the right side, two on the left side, and just found out there's another one holding the battery on the side that will need to be taken. Is unscrewed, including the screws on the side and that one on the back side, and here's how it's coming out. And here now the battery is ready to be taken out. Fits quite snug. This is the battery. This is the difference. That's the original battery to the left, and this is the other battery that I bought. It seems like they are identical as far as width goes. Just one, the original battery is higher than the new one, and this is the TZ10S for $50 from Walmart. And here we go. The wires are all screwed in. We just have to drop it in the cage. Here it is. The EverStart, the new battery. Secured completely. There. And now we'll just see what happens, because sometimes my understanding is that you may have to do a reset of the computer. Doesn't look like it needs a reset. So this is great. It's working fine. No warning lights, no nothing. Everything works fine.